the universe.
Voltron, defenders of the universe.
Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We're gonna review the Castle of Lions from Voltron, and if you're an 80s kid, this was a pretty big deal. So stay tuned for more. And if you're not an 80s kid, still a big deal. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, I can't forget this little thing. It says Child World, Children's Place. I don't know about you guys, but there was Toys R Us, KB Toys, and Child World was kind of that up-and-coming franchise, as I recall. So, what do we got here? What do we got here? And then we will put the box over. All right, let's look inside. The box was quite gigantic, the price was quite large, and this ended up being a really nice playset for kids that liked robots, but it was kind of a conundrum because robots were robots, action figures were action figures, but Panache Place, who made this toy, attempted to make a castle which kind of bridged the gap where lions, action figures, people could come together. And I will turn this around. All right, well, look at that. I mean, if I had the action figure, which I don't, this particular guy would be quite nice. Who the heck would have thought there's a roulette game? But the roulette game was black lion, red lion, yellow lion, so forth. And I'll show it up here. So that was pretty interesting. And inside, there are all kinds of kibbles and bits. Missile launcher, which didn't launch missiles. A simulated crane of sorts. Sort of chunky, sort of lame, but still kind of neat at the same time. A seat. Look, we got, silly me, I forgot about the sarcophagus. We got a coffin cover, which ain't too bad. We have cannons, and cannons could go up top. Pedestal with a raven. I think that goes with our occult lady. We have a gun and detail, and the most important piece, the key. Woo! Here's our crodium. That's right. What a crodium. Woo! Everybody needs a crodium. There's our key. And there's our ship with nice looking stickers. And once again, our computer. Yes, that's right. It's a digital and analog computer. This rather generic crane. Well, they get a point for trying. The occult they nailed. I mean, again, mummy, crodium. Let's say it again. Crodium, rat, mouse, and then ooh, spooky. We've got the spirit of God knows who. Mumra's bootleg. We got missile piece, and this is a magnet which raises and lowers. This one probably hasn't even been raised before. Accessories. Ooh, again, occult. And then, in case you didn't know what to do, keyhole. That's right. Now, everything should light up and work if you use your imagination here. So let's pretend that the kid was told to put things back. I believe this little piece has to come out. Put it over there. Fold it. So forth. The crane we're going to ignore. Oh, that's right. Must fold up the occult out of the way. Bloop. Got that. That would probably shove in there. So anyways, I think it's a neat toy. Check it out. If you're a 80s fan, you like your robots, you like your action figures, this is kind of some of each. Every time you think it's done, you think it's simple, you think, why would I need it? You realize there are little hidden gems throughout this toy. So check it out. Again, it's Castle of Lions. And at one point I used to think this was LJN, but it's actually Panache Place. And have a great day. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Take care.
The legend of Voltron, defender of the universe. A mighty robot, loved by good.